guys, welcome to Sun Digitals. My name is Follow Logo. Today I'm going to show you how to use split screen in Filmora X. Let's begin. Now, after you have imported all the video and the pictures you're going to use, you just come here, the split screen here, and it will give you a variety of pre-installed split screen like you can see here. Now I'll start with the first one here. I'll just drag it. You can either drag it or you can just tick it there. Then it will bring you this aspect here. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use this image. I'll just drag it over here and it will just go there. And then I'll use this video here. I'll drag it over here. Then if I play here, you'll see the image on. This is good especially if you want to put a banner image and the video is explaining something. Now what about if I want to adjust the image? I'll click here to bring me this dialog box here. Then I can easily manipulate. Maybe I want to zoom in or zoom out so that the image is well placed, and maybe I want to also mute the sound. Then I just close. Also the same to the video. I just click here. You see the sound is on. If I want it to be muted, just do that. If I want it to be deleted, I'll just press this and it will go away. If I want to bring it back, I'll just drag like that. If I click it here, now that is that. But if I want to add other many more options, I'll click here again and now click this aspect here and it will bring me dialog box. Now this dialog box is where now you can advanced detail. It's an advanced detail of how you can edit the split screen. You can see here this the picture. Now this is the video and this is the picture here. If I click this, if I want to edit the video, I'll just click this. Here are all the videos that I can put and place in the split screen. Now if I come to the video here, there are many things you can play with it. Play stabilization. If I click this, try to stabilize the video. There's the chroma key, especially the green screen videos. You can easily remove the background using that. There's the lens correction, there's drop shadow, but I don't want to go so much into that. Then audio, you can increase or decrease the audio. Increase the audio, reduce the audio. Post this. This works well, especially with things with the volume. Maybe if I want to increase the pitch and also the fade out of the volume. Also there are more details here. Maybe I want it to put music, tune and many other aspects. I can even remove the background noise here. Now if I come to color there is white balance. If I want to manipulate the white balance in the video, I'll just come here, make sure I select the video. Maybe I want to reduce or increase the temperature. As you can see there, I've put it maximum. You can see it's becoming yellowish. If I want to tint it, as you can see there. Now if I play, you see how it looks. Also here are the tones and many other aspects. This animation, you can make the video become animation, but let's try with the picture here. Maybe make it to spill when it's going on. So I'll just click here and maybe drag it and place it here, and then maybe I also extend it up to here so that it becomes like that. Now if I play, or it's supposed to swivel maybe here at the end, so maybe you make sure it doesn't go for long. I'll just pull it up to here. Then maybe if I play, you see it's coming slowly like that. This is good especially if you're dealing with picture, but also it can work with videos. Now that is that. I'll cancel that. Now I'll just close that. I'll just say yes. Then if you play it here on the timeline, all the changes will be visible here. You see the picture starting to appear from here like so. So that is how to deal with pictures. The next thing I'm going to I've deleted that. I'm going to use now the advanced. I'm going to use this one here so that we have more videos in the split screen. So I'll choose this one here. This time I'll just click this tick here, then it will bring it here. Then I'm going to extend it from here to here so that it becomes a little bit long, because the videos I'm going to use are a bit longer, maybe more than 1 minute. So what am I going to do? I'm going to click there click here so that I'm able to see them visibly. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to place the videos. The first video I'm going to place is this one here. I'll drag and place it here like so. Then the next video I'm going to place, also I'm going to place is this one here. Then the next video I'm going to place is the other one that you used before, this one here. Now all these videos I'm going to edit them advancedly, so I'll just click one of them, then I'll click this aspect here, so that brings me to the advanced option here. Now if I play here, you see and there are playing at the same time. If I click here, you can see all the mediums are there. Maybe if I want to edit the first video that I placed, this one here, I'll just click this on the downer video and come to the videos here. Maybe I want to, let me just play a little bit so that you see it visibly. Maybe pause it there. Now if I want to edit this, I'll just come to the videos here. There are many aspects you can do with that. I'll just leave that. I'll just go to the audio. Maybe I want to increase the volume or decrease the volume like so. So I'll reduce or increase the volume. What about if I want to change the color? I'll just come here and change the color. Now I'll use this color enhancement. Now if I play, if I click this down, it will bring me to that. If I try to do that, I think you can see the changes. You can see the changes. The value is going down, it's becoming more and more lighter. Now if I play, you see how this look. It's becoming so much lighter, which is not okay. So I'll just reduce the value the way they were. So I won't go much into that. Now what about if I want animation here? Maybe this one I want it to enter in form of animation. This video here, this one here. So I'll just come to animation here. Maybe I want it to, if I hover here, it will tell me the kind of animation that will be. Maybe I want it to drag in. I'll just click and drag it here. Then maybe pull it here. Maybe pull it here like so. Pull it here like so. So if it starts to play, if I play, you see this one is coming in form of a drag like so. So if I want to extend it so that it goes on, I can just pull this like that. Now guys, that is how to manipulate split screen in a nutshell. It's very easy and very easy to use. Guys, continue watching my videos. I'll just say okay here.